Grace and peace be multiplied unto you. Welcome to our science class. We are still under system. We are still talking about system. Let's do a quick recap on what we did last week before we move on to our next subtopic under system. Last week, we talked about functions of the organs of the digestive system. Functions of the organs of the digestive system. We mentioned some parts or some organs of the digestive system and we explained them. Let's do a quick recap on it. We mentioned mouth. We know digestion starts from the what? Mouth. We also mentioned esophagus. We know esophagus is a muscular tube that connects the mouth to the stomach. We also mentioned stomach. The stomach is a sac-like organ with strong muscle walls which hold or receive food that passes through the esophagus. We also talked about small intestines. You know the small intestine is a long tube loosely coiled in the abdomen. Okay, this is where food enters and where it leaves the stomach. We know the small intestine is divided into or made up of 3 segments. That's the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. We also talked about the large intestines. You know the large intestine is about 5 to 6 feet long. It is also a muscular tube that connects cecum to rectum. The cecum is the first part of the large intestines. We also talked about the rectum. You know the rectum is an 8-inch chamber that connects the colon to the anus. The rectum receives stool or feces from the colon. And we talked about the anus. The anus is the last part of the digestive tract. It is an opening through which feces comes out. Today we are still on systems, but we'll be talking about the solar system. We'll be talking about the solar system. So someone will ask, what's a solar system? What's a solar system? A solar system is the gravitational bound system of the sun and the object that orbits it, either directly or indirectly. Either directly or indirectly. Let's take it again. The solar system is the gravitational bound system of the sun and the object that orbits it, either directly or indirectly. Or the solar system consists of the sun, which is at its center, the planet and other heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. So this is the explanation for solar system. So this is how the solar system looks like. We have the sun, as you can see down there, the yellow one, just in front of Mercury. Mercury is the first planet, Venus is the second planet, Earth is the next one, Mars, then move to Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. First we are having Pluto, but now Pluto can't be found in the solar system. It is now a dwarf planet. Now move on to composition of the solar system. Composition of the solar system. Our solar system consists of the sun, the planets and their satellites, comets, asteroids, and interplanetary medium. The following is a list of the mass distribution of the various components of our solar system. That is the percentage or amount of space they occupy with the solar system. So as you can see, I'm now going to talk about how heavy how heavy um, how heavy the things in the solar system, or the amount of space they take up there. We start with the sun. The sun takes 99.85 percentage up there in space or in the solar system. The sun occupies 99.85%. And we take to our planets, it is 0.135%. Comets, 0.01%. Satellite, 0.0005%. Meteoroids, 0.000001%. Interplanetary medium, 0.000001%. Now let's move on. We are going to talk about the sun. The sun is a star, just like a star you see in the sky in the night when there are no clouds. The sun occupies 99.85% of all the matter in our solar system. It is located within or at the center of the solar system. And so everything in the solar system revolves around the sun. That means it goes around the sun, or it orbits around the sun. That is, all the planets and their satellites, comets, stars, etc. All of them moves around the sun. The sun is believed to be 93 million miles away from Earth. It takes just 8 minutes for sunlight to get onto Earth. It takes just 8 minutes for sunlight or for the rays of the sun to get onto Earth. So this is how the sun looks like. This is a pictorial evidence of how the sun looks like. It's a very hot object. So let's take note of some things. When we say asteroids, these are bodies of rock and ice in space. So there are rocks and ice in space. They are known as asteroids. Now comet, it is a body of ice, dust, and bits of rock that passes through space, leaving a trail of ice and dust behind it. Now orbit, the path that a planet takes around the sun or that a moon takes around a planet. And planet, a large body of either rock or gas that follows a consistent orbit around star. Now we talk about star, a huge ball of very hot gases that gives off lots of light and heat. An assignment will be sent to you. Try your possible best to do it and submit it before Thursday afternoon. As you are home, don't forget to wash your hands regularly and practice social distancing. Stay home, stay safe, and stay blessed. God bless you.